Imagine driving a car, and suddenly, the engine overheats. What do? You pull over, let it cool down, then restart. This is the principle behind the circuit breaker pattern in microservices. When a microservice fails consistently, it's like an overheating engine. The circuit breaker pattern steps in, tripping the circuit and preventing further requests. This gives the failing service time to recover. Picture a series of requests to a service. Everything is fine then. A few requests fail. The circuit breaker notices and trips. Now, all requests get an automatic response, preventing further strain on the failing service. After a set time, the circuit breaker allows a few test requests through. If they succeed, the circuit is reset and normal service resumes. If they fail, the circuit remains tripped for another period. Like a careful driver, the circuit breaker pattern prevents total system failure, allowing time for recovery and repair, a valuable tool in the microservices toolbelt.